Welcome to another one of my hauls. This is a fabric haul today, and my name is Katerina Cassette. I run Create It with Katerina YouTube channel, and I have 4 Etsy shops. One of them is a handmade shop, which is what we kind of are surrounding this whole channel about, along with finding the best deals that we can find on fabric, paper crafting, for journaling, sewing, and for other kind of crafting that you may like to do. So I'm interested in a lot of different kinds of crafting, and I love to learn from all of you as well. So today we're going to go through this bag, a bag like this. It's a garbage bag, one of those regular garbage bags. One of my friends and neighbors, she's 87 years old. She just gifted me this whole bag of fabrics that we're going to go through. So in the comments below, please let me know what you would do with the fabrics as I discuss what maybe I could do, or if you know the things that I'm doing with fabrics. Hopefully, I just got a brand new iPad and I am filming on it right now. So hopefully I'm looking at you in the camera. I hope I'm doing this right. I'll check it out later. I do have a app called the Script, which will make my eyes move towards the camera after I've recorded if I mess up a lot. But hopefully I'm just doing it right, so I don't have to go through all that. Anyway, let's start with these fabrics. So first of all, she gave me this beautiful, let me stand back a little bit. Hopefully I'm talking loud enough for you. This is almost 2 yards, not quite 2 yards. It is soft, see-through-y kind of material. Oops, that's the wrong side. Here's the right side. Sorry, I had it inside out. It's like a soft, silky fabric. This lady sewed, she had 5 children, and she sewed for all her children, just like I sewed for all of mine, and made all their clothing. But she also sewed for our church for children who didn't have clothes, and she made a lot of clothes for children who didn't have clothing. And but her mother also sewed, and her grandmother. So some of these fabrics are from her mother, who made dresses and such. Also, she gifted me a bag of lace, which we'll do on a different video because it's too much to add together in one video. So I'll do another video on the lace bag. The same thing, same big, huge black garbage bag full of different laces and very vintaging. So these are all vintagey fabrics. You can't find this anymore. I didn't see a tag on here anywhere, or like a print of where it was made or anything like that. So this was really pretty and soft. For this one, would be great for scrunchies. It is the perfect fabric. People like this in their hair. It's very pretty. Headbands and things like that would be nice for this fabric. Then she gave, this was this is a piece of like black lining that was used as a lining. Looks like inside of suits and things like that. But this is great for linings for tote bags, right? So it's a beautiful lining. It feels almost like a raincoaty fabric, but not. It's very slick. It is probably enough on there for one tote bag. Along with that, she gave me this other piece of black. This one is different. This is a different kind of black fabric. It's a very wide piece, and it's thicker than silk, but so if you know what it is, you can always leave it in the comments because I forget the names. This also would make excellent linings in tote bags. Or in jean bags too, right? Jean tote bags. That would be really pretty inside of a jean bag. So then she gave me this one. And this is very see-through, extremely see-through. Like women would make clothes out of this and wear slips under them. Do you remember that? Wearing slips. You can't even find a slip for sale anymore. Let's see, this is one. It's 2 yards. This is 2 yards. And move it closer to the camera so you can see the design in it. It's like a crepey material, but softer than that. I haven't felt one of these in ages. This is very beautiful. Again, this would make very pretty linings for tote bags. Okay, and then she gave me some of this very thick, remember these days where we used to wear our pants out of this thick polyester? That's funny. I couldn't dream of wearing that in the heat these days. But this is a nice, it's a big, very thick, very wide piece of dark blue of that thick polyester. Again, the polyester, if it's thick like this, even if it's thick like this, it's still good to use as linings because it doesn't wrinkle, which is the thing I like about the polyesters. This one is so beautiful. This is like that blue one, but with the bigger flowers. See that? That's super pretty. Let's see how many yards this is. This is a, looks like only 20. Let me see how, it's like 20, it's like 24 wide. Let's see how much it is in yardage. 1, sorry, you can't see me, 2, 3, just shy of 4 yards. Let me open this up for you. And this is very silky. It's very, and I'm looking at the wrong side again. That's another thing I noticed from a long time ago. We used to fold, do you ever notice that? People folded the fabrics with the inside of the fabric towards the outside. Do you remember those days? Again, very pretty for linings, but I'm wondering, it's too thin for tote bags. It's really pretty. But again, for scrunchies, it would also be beautiful for scrunchies because it squishes up nicely. Okay, the next one was just, here's some more black. This black is a little different. This is more like a slip, the kind that slips used to be made out of. And it's about almost 2 yards of that. And again, that's more lining. I don't mind getting the lining fabrics, especially when you don't have to pay for them, right? Here's a piece of red, which again would make for a good lining. It's like a lining fabric. I remember we used to line so many of our clothes if we didn't have, and we used to use slips all the time, so it's a little bit different. There's had this tiny little piece here of knit. Some white fabric that this is super, let me pull it back so you can see more. It's very see-through, very thin, but it has this design. Can you see that? Let's see if it's the right way. Let me turn it around. Do you see that little design in there? I'm wondering, yeah. This is beautiful. This would make beautiful scrunchies as well. That you would see the elastic inside probably. I don't know that unless I make them super long. But yeah, that's usable for things that I make. It's a little too thin. It's too thin for lining. More black, lots of black fabric. It's got to be very popular back in the day. And again, it's the same like another one of the lining pieces that we already had in here. I won't be without lining if the thing is that if you can see back here, a lot of my colors are lighter and butterflies, flowers, you know, very feminine looking that don't really go with a black lining, but I do upcycle jeans, and I'm thinking that with jeans that even though pretty patterns are also nice in jeans, these blacks could serve a purpose very well as well. There, here is a piece of blue, just like the black, but it's a little thicker, and this makes a good lining as well. And then we have this lot of this. So look at this one. This is the first time I've seen them. I just took them out of the bags. So this one is, well, here's a little piece that needs to be cut off, but let me just see how many yards this is. If we put this here, it's 1, 2, it's like a little over 3 yards. You see that? It's very see-through-y, and again, these would make nice, let's see if I scrunch them up for you like this, like you could see. Would that make a nice, pretty scrunchies? Yeah, that would make pretty scrunchies. Let's put these together. I'll bolt these all up. I'll bolt them all up later. I did get a bunch more foam board from Hobby Lobby since my Dollar Trees aren't carrying it lately. And okay, so let's just get rid of the little scraps now. So another piece of black. Oh, here's a pink. Oh, this is nice. This is the kind I need. So this is more up my alley, right? And this is nice. This is a nice piece of pink lining. Let's see, and it's it's thin. I mean, not wide, but okay. So that's 1, 2, 3. It's about 3.5 yards. That's perfect for lining tote bags, and makeup bags, and things like that. Book sleeves. No, maybe not book sleeves. I don't think it's thick enough because your book could, the edge of the book could, especially if someone puts a pen in it, if they could poke a hole in there. And then, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Look at this one. And this one's a thick, almost like a, it's like almost like a brocade. This would make beautiful tote bags. Isn't that pretty? Let's see how much this I have here. See how many bags I can make with it. 2, 3, 4, 5. A little over 5 yards of this one. So I could make 5 tote bags. Most likely I could make 5 of them. Maybe only 4, but hopefully 5 good sized ones. Not weekender bags, maybe just regular tote bags. Beautiful fabric. And then the black, yeah, the black lining would go really well with this. And then the last piece, she gave me 2 of these. And look at this, how pretty that is. These are all very vintage colors, vintage fabrics. Some of them, she said, are from when she's 87, and some of them are from 50, 60 years ago, she said. So I have this piece here, plus this of the same fabric. And let's see how much we have here. So this is like a yard there. And then this is, let's see, 1, 2, about 2.5. So it looks like about 3.5 yards of this. This is pretty. This would make nice scrunchies as well, even though the flowers are big. Because I make extra large scrunchies, so they can be really big. You can see most of the flowers. So that's the stash. That's my gifting bag that was gifted to me from my neighbor who is 87 years old and is no longer going to be sewing. And so she's been, well, she still sews a little bit, but she's been getting rid of a lot of her fabrics, and she gifted these to me instead of bringing them to the thrift store. So I'm really grateful to her. I love it when people gift me, because all of my, I don't know if you watched my video on my craft office / craft tour of my home, of my office. but almost everything, all my rubber stamps, all my acrylic stamps, tons and tons of papers were all gifted to me. So there's so much that I have, and I'm so grateful for all of those things that I get gifted. So hopefully, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. My next video, we're gonna go into the lace bag and see what kind of goodies we have in there. Look forward to sharing that with you.